Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's unboxing video, we're just gonna keep continuing unboxing my M2 Machines collection. I think these are the last 4 that I have from M2 Machines releases. I've got a 1970 Ford Mustang 428 SCJ. I've got a 1954 Mercury Sun Valley. I've got a 1955 Dodge Royal Lancer. And the last one is a 1957 Chrysler 300C. I'll get them out of the packs, look at them closely, then I'll put them on the turntable for you guys to have a 360-degree look. Okay, I'm going to start off with this 1970 Ford Mustang 428. Looks pretty good. It's got some sort of floral livery on it, yellow. All right, let's get him out of the pack. That's the car, guys. Looks pretty neat. Chrome bumpers, black grille, Mustang logo, plastic headlights, opening hood, opening doors, chrome bumper, plastic tail lights. I quite like M2, guys. They're pretty detailed for the size and price, and I like what they say. If you look at the box, it says M2 Machines, details like no other. Alright, I'll unscrew this car from the base plate and I'll pop him on the turntable. Alright, let's look at the next car. Let's look at this 1954 Mercury Sun Valley. Looks pretty neat. That's the car, guys. Beautiful rims, white circle on the rubber tires, plenty of chrome accents, opening doors, opening hood, sunroof. It's got a nice sky blue color scheme with a dark blue contrast on the roof. You can see the interior a little bit. Beautiful front grille logo, plastic headlights, chrome bumpers, metal base, beautiful plastic taillights, 1954 on the license plate, chrome bumper as well. Okay, I'll put him on the turntable. Okay, the next one is a Dodge. It's a beautiful blue and white or off-white color scheme. It's a 1955 Dodge Royal Lancer. I love the way M2's done a pretty good job on these vintage or classic cars, guys. That's a beautiful release. Alright, I'll get him out of the display box. That's the car, guys. A decent close-up. For me as a collector, it's all about detailing these days, so I'm extremely happy with the way these guys have done an awesome job on the paint, color scheme, the beautiful chrome work, chrome accents, plastic headlights, opening hood, opening doors, rubber tires, metal base chassis, nice vintage look to it, plastic tail lights, reverse lights, chrome bumper, 1955 on the license plate. Just awesome, guys. Alright, I'll put them on the turntable. Alright guys, the last car in today's video is a 1957 Chrysler 300C. It's got a beautiful, some sort of green color scheme with the black on the roof. Awesome chrome accents. Nice chrome grille. Plastic taillights, chrome bumper. Hellcat on the license plate. Alright, let's take a closer look. Awesome car, guys. I'm absolutely loving the color scheme, the finish, the decals. Beautiful in the front. Chrome bumper, chrome grille, plastic headlights, opening doors, opening hood, Hellcat, chrome bumper again. And if you notice, metal chassis, metal base with beautiful rubber tires, and they've given them really wide rear tires. Doors open, yep. Hood pops up, yep. Awesome, guys. For a 1/64 scale, I'm loving the detailing on these M2 machines. It's a beautiful release. Alright, let's take a closer look. Alright guys, those are the 4 cars we had to look today. In today's unboxing video, we had a look at a 1970 Ford Mustang 428, a 1954 Mercury Sun Valley, a 1955 Dodge Royal Lancer, and a 1957 Chrysler 300C. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and I shall definitely see you in my next unboxing video. Thanks, guys.